Hey guys, welcome back. Today's just going to be a voiceover of me, obviously if you could see from the title, a voiceover of me reupholstering my dining room chairs. They were kind of gross, not totally gross, but they had this like weird pleather on them, and I don't know if I'm the only one, but pleather or leather or anything, as soon as I sit in it, it makes me sweat. And because we don't have AC and summer's coming, I decided to put new foam and new fabric on them and completely redo them. However, when I was doing this, Chris, my boyfriend, was working and on the phone, and there was noise outside. It was a Sunday, so it was just too loud to try to talk with everything going on. So I just recorded it, and then I'm just gonna do a voiceover to try to explain it. But if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments down below, and I'll try to answer all of them. The tools you'll need, you're gonna need obviously fabric of your choice. I'll link the fabric choice that I chose below. Really soft and it's double layered, so it's not see-through, so you can't see the foam. You're gonna need foam. Again, I'll link everything down below other than like a screwdriver, because I'm not gonna link a screwdriver, but so you'll need foam. I used hot glue. You don't necessarily need to, but you'll see kind of why I did it. You don't need it, but if you have it, it is helpful. And then you will also need, sorry, I'm moving it around. You will also need screwdriver, obviously, to take apart the chairs, and a staple gun. I'll link that down below. You will see me try to struggle with a staple gun, and that's because the staple gun that I received is kind of broken. I'm returning it after I used it on my project, but it's broken. So you will see me struggling with that. And then I think, you know, just like a pen or a Sharpie to trace with, scissors or a knife to cut the foam and the fabric with. I prefer using the knife with the foam. But if you don't have a knife, you can totally use scissors. It's an arm workout. That's basically all it is. But I think that's it for tools. I think that's it. So I'll let you guys go to it so you can see what I did. I don't know what this is. I have no idea what this is. I'll let you guys go to it, and then that's it for the video. So when it's done, it's done. And leave your comments down below if you have any questions, or if you've done this project before, because it was really, really easy and it took about like an hour and a half. So yeah, that's it. See you guys in the next one.
Here is the before and after. Before on the right, after on the left. Ignore the mess. This is just how we roll. Here I'm just showing you where the screws are that attach the seat to the base, basically. I have 5. Your chair might be different, but they're just simple Phillips head screws. Go ahead and unscrew those bad boys. Next, we're going to get 2-inch foam, and you're just going to trace your seat using a Sharpie and then cut out the foam just like that. This is where I use the hot glue gun. I only do this so that way the foam and the seat kind of stay together while I'm stapling the fabric down. I just didn't want to have to fight with them not being one whole piece and 2 separate pieces, if that makes sense. Here we're just laying it down foam first, and you're going to stretch the fabric over the seat and just staple where you see the other staples. So I'm going to show you what's the best way. You're going to go from the side to the opposite side to start, and then from the back to the front when you're stapling. So make sure you're pulling tight. The back of the chair, I didn't really care how it looked, so I just kind of wrapped it like a present, as you can see here. So I just pushed one side in, and then I just pulled the entire flap over, as you're going to see right now, and that was the back of the chair. You won't see it, so it doesn't really matter. You could totally look on other ways to do this, but this is how I did the front. I kind of pushed it in so that way it would have this nice little seam. That was how they did the front. So you can totally look up other ways to do it. And then this is what it'll look like when you're done. After that, you'll just literally screw it all back into place. And voila, that's how it looks. Again, excuse my messy house. It's Sunday, we're cleaning. But yeah, that's what it looks like. Go ahead and give this video a like or a thumbs up if you liked it, and I'll see you later. Bye.